Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today had a very, very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was and then where the price ended, I think we can all agree that this right here was a very nice day on the bull's part. But that does lead to the very valid and the very logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that level on the chart is down here at $12.65. Why is $12.65 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $12.65. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That is literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it just broke out of today. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. I'm not saying this will happen, but let's just pretend that the price rolls over, pulls back, does something like this, and then heads back up. So even after that, what would you then have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. The previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps in the upwards direction, making progress forward. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $12.65. Now, if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? So when it comes to levels of resistance, let me get that out of the way. Okay, so that makes sense why the price struggled where it did, right up there at about $13.20. Why do I say it makes sense? Well, it all circles around a foundational principle in charting, which states when former areas of support, so you can see this level at $13.20 was a level of support right there, are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So you fast forward to today, and a classic example of the former support now acting as resistance. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's impossible to break through $13.20. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling there. In the event the price can push through that level, though, next level of resistance that the bulls will have to fight through be up here at this area, which sits approximately right around $13.45. Anyway, you slice it though, very nice price movement today. Now things transition into the question, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.